In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can install the Discovery Plus app on your Samsung TV. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step instructions on how to get this app on your TV. The first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your remote control. I have one of the like smart remotes here, but this will work on all your Samsung TVs that are probably around the 2018 and above mark. So go ahead and push the home button on your Samsung remote, and it'll take you to the menu that looks like this on the bottom here. These are some of the apps that I have installed on there. But what you're going to want to do is go all the way over to the left to where that magnifying glass is that says search. Go ahead and click enter on there, and then go ahead and just delete out if anything's on there. Let me delete that out. Alright, so that way it's nice and clear. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and type in Discovery Plus. Okay, once you type in Discovery, it starts showing up there on the top results. You just go up there to the top left, and right there's a Discovery Plus logo. Click on that. Alright, it brings you up to this right here. What you want to do is go ahead and click on Install. Okay, now it installed it onto the TV. There's a couple options. You can go ahead and open it here, or you can click on Close down here. But I'm going to actually go click on Close, and I want to add it to the home bar on the bottom. So we're going to click on that, and then as you can see, it's up here on the bottom. And I'm just going to move it over to my home bar down here and just set it there. If you do want to move it again, you just click down on it and you can move it like that, or if you want to remove the app icon altogether, you can do that. But yeah, there you go. And then we'll go ahead and click on the Discovery Plus app, and it brings it up just like this. Okay, and there's a sign-in screen to sign in and create an account, or start your 7-day free trial, or if you have the account already, go ahead and just sign in. But yeah, this is how you get the Discovery Plus app on your Samsung. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.